Neil Carlson here on a very windy Monday morning commute. I'm out on Highway 2 between East Grand Forks and Crookston. Wind advisory up and down the valley. Already had a wind gust of 49 miles per hour this morning in Grand Forks. Recording now at 6:15 a.m. Again, snow blowing across the road. Real high winds that could toss you around a little bit. You could run into some icy spots where we had just a trace of snow overnight here in the northern valley, and some of that's now sticking to the roads up here. So you're gonna have to watch out for that. Again, a very windy Monday morning commute for folks across the northern valley. Just had a wind gust in Grand Forks of 49 miles per hour. So wherever you're driving around the valley this morning, take it slow and be careful. You could run into slippery roads at any time. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.